community-based DIY sustainable infrastructure. One Community Weekly Progress Update, number 644.
One Community is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. We are creating open source and free shared blueprints and resources, tools and tutorials, and do-it-yourself instructions for highest good living. Creating solution models that create additional solution creating models in the service of all life on this planet. This includes highest good approaches to food, energy, housing, education, for-profit and non-profit business creation, society, and stewardship.
Welcome back, beautiful people. Thank you for joining me again. My name is Jay, and this is the July 21st, 2025 edition of One Community's Weekly Progress Update. And today I want to talk about community-based DIY sustainable infrastructure. Community-based DIY replicable sustainable infrastructure. And everything you see happening in the background of this video is what we are creating and open sourcing and free sharing as community-based DIY sustainable infrastructure. Because wouldn't it be great if you had at your fingertips everything you needed to be able to replicate all the different sustainable villages and different components, the physical foundations of sustainability, the emotional foundations of sustainability that we're developing, whichever one or ones you are most interested in, or if you're somebody that really wants to immerse yourself in this, a complete teacher demonstration hub that incorporates all the physical foundations of sustainability, food, energy, and housing, and includes the emotional foundations of sustainability, which we've identified and like to call highest good approaches to fulfilled living, education, economics, and stewardship. Incorporating all of these things into one place, one complete community-based model demonstrating all of this DIY sustainable infrastructure, not just the physical infrastructure, but the emotional foundations and infrastructure as well. Wouldn't it be great if there was a place in the world where you could come and experience that and decide for yourself if it was something that you wanted to implement in your own life, in the lives of your friends and your family, or if there was something there that you would want to try out? Wouldn't it be wonderful to create something like that? Wouldn't it be even better if it was designed to be a self-replicating model so that there wasn't just one place in the world where you could come and have this experience, so that there were hundreds growing to thousands of places in the world, shifting the paradigm of living from one that is currently unsustainable, objectively, by definition, not sustainable, to one that is healthier, to one that is more sustainable, to one that lasts longer, more eco-friendly, all these things put into one place. And why? Why? Not just for the personal benefits, not just for the planetary benefits, but the technology and resources exist right now on this planet to create a world that works for everyone. We have the resources and ability to solve all of the challenges that humanity is facing right now. If there was another planet just like planet Earth and we were able to access it easily, we could take what we have right now and go create a world that works for everyone. We could create a world that is growing food without the common poisons that we currently spray on it. We could create a world with renewable energy that is sustainable and better for the planet, eliminates the cost of power bills, and overall just better for humanity. We have the ability to build homes that are built without toxic materials, that last longer, that are more artistic and beautiful. We have the ability to do these things. We have the ability to create a culture of growth and enrichment, recreational activities hosted by people sharing their passions and gifts with others for the benefit of everyone. We have the ability to put together the best, most revolutionary, progressive education models in the world, to create an education program that doesn't just teach what you need to learn, but how to be a better learner and creative thinker. We have the ability to operate resource-based economy models that are sharing-based economy models instead of competitive-based models that save money, provide more access to the things that people want, and maintain those things so that they last longer as well. And we have the ability to create stewardship models, and we are doing exactly this: software for managing it all, for organizing it all, for tracking it all, to make sure that we are doing the best that we are capable of in all these different areas as we develop them, open source them, and free share them for the highest good of all people and life on the planet. The time has come for community-based DIY sustainable infrastructure. It's just how long are we going to take to implement it? In one community's case, we think we've got 2 more years. We think we've got 2 more years before we're ready to build, and the model is being designed to be easy enough, affordable enough, and to demonstrate living within this environment as attractive enough, objectively attractive enough, that it will spread on its own. This is what one community is doing. And we're bringing together people with shared values and interests to create this, people that are into world change, that believe that the sustainable future that we're capable of is one that we as a species will move towards if it's made easy enough, affordable enough, and demonstrates attractive enough, because it's selfish to do that. And I've said this before: selfish philanthropy, selfish humanitarianism, creating a world that works for everyone, because that includes us, that includes you, that includes me, that includes our friends and our family. And giving more than we take makes sense if it can be done in a way that is easy enough, affordable enough, and provides a lifestyle that's attractive enough, that's better than the way people are living right now. That just makes sense. And so we are creating handy, easy to follow, free shared plans for all these different components so they can be replicated as either the complete teacher demonstration hub that is one community, designed to teach others how to create teacher demonstration hubs as well, creating a self-replicating global cooperation and collaboration, working together to demonstrate and to create even more, super improved food, energy, housing, fulfilled living, education, economic systems, and stewardship models for everybody to benefit from, or to create the individual components for people just interested in, how can I grow something that I can't buy in the grocery store that I know isn't sprayed with poison? How can I build myself a house that's going to last longer and doesn't have, carcinogenic materials that are going to, that have been proven to cause birth defects and cancer? Maybe I don't want to live in that. How do I do that? How do I build it? And I'd like it to last longer, and I'd like it to be more artistic and beautiful than my neighbor's house. How do I do that? One community is answering those questions. And so everything you see happening in the background of this video is what we're open sourcing and free sharing, because we want to live this way, and we want to make it accessible to everybody, and we want to make it easy enough, affordable enough, and attractive enough to spread its own, because community-based DIY sustainable infrastructure is a path to world change. It's a powerful engine for change. A powerful engine for change that is needed. It's not just valuable. It's not just desirable. It's critical at this point in humanity's story. And so we're consciously and conscientiously writing the next chapter. And we're inviting everybody that's interested to participate so that we can achieve that critical mass, that tipping point of participation, such that we can say, we have established a sustainable civilization, that humanity has become a sustainable civilization, because we're not sustainable right now. And community-based DIY sustainable infrastructure is a pathway to that. It's about meaningful change. It's about lasting change. It's about recognizing the interconnectedness and interdependence of food, energy, housing, fulfilled living, education, economic, and stewardship systems working together, because they are interdependent. They rely upon each other, and when combined intelligently, they are a solution to the greatest challenges that humanity is facing right now. An adaptable, a modifiable solution designed to address the greatest challenges for generations to come as well. And that's why it's defined as a sustainable civilization. So this is what we're up to. If you geek out on this stuff like we do, or you'd like to geek out on this stuff like we do, or you like a weekly dose of positivity, like and subscribe. Visit our webpage and subscribe to our newsletter so you can get a weekly progress update. That weekly progress update will include videos just like this, as well as a link to our written blog that shares every single thing that we are working on right now. Every week we publish a weekly progress update that includes everything that every volunteer on our team is working on right now and what it is that we're up to. If you'd like to help out, visit our helping page. If you'd like to access all the open source tools, tutorials, resources, plans, do-it-yourself instructions, the hundreds of thousands of hours of research and results of that research, visit our website. And of course, if you'd like to help out in the easiest way possible, like and subscribe and join us on social media. We are on all the different social media platforms to make it as easy as possible for people to participate and to get involved and to help us spread the word for what it is that we're creating in these community-based DIY sustainable infrastructure plans and tutorials and resources. And this is what we're up to. And of course, if you stick around for a couple more minutes, you'll help out our algorithm, and you'll also see bullet points on all the major components of our project. This is what we're up to. We're an all-volunteer organization. We're a nonprofit organization. We're a non-governmental organization. And we're creating these community-based DIY sustainable infrastructure plans as a pathway, as a powerful engine for change and making the world one that works for everyone within one generation as a self-replicating model. So thanks for watching to the end. Until next week, we will, of course, keep on keeping on. Thank you.
The one community approach to highest good housing is eco-artistic home building that is affordable, sustainable, do-it-yourself duplicable, resource and space efficient, and consists of 7 different sustainably constructed village models. One Community is also creating an open-source duplicable city center. It is designed to be LEED Platinum certified, provide 12 guest rooms, dining for over 150 people, and laundry and recreation space for over 300 people, all while saving money, time, space, and resources. One Community's approach to highest good food is duplicable almost anywhere, scalable for different needs, more biodiverse and nutritious, part of forwarding a global open-source botanical garden collaborative, and includes 9 different free, shared, and duplicable growing environments. One Community's approach to highest good education is designed for all age groups, adaptable to any schooling environment, inspiring and fun for all participants, includes national standards, all subjects, lesson plans, teaching strategies, learning strategies and tools, classroom design, and more. The One Community approach to highest good society is globally focused, individually enriching, cooperative and collaborative, includes a highest good network and application, 4 different economic models, and combines fulfilled living and true earth stewardship for the benefit of all people and all life on this planet.